GPT Vision AI clones $5,341 per day sites with your affiliate link. 2-click free traffic robot face right arrow curving down. 1-click GPT-4 Vision clones $5,000 per day sites. Step 1. Login and launch. Enter the portal and engage the trifecta of ACE, GPT-4, GPT-4 Vision and DAL, preloaded and trained on 2024 profiteering. Step 2. 1-click clone. Choose a high-earning website template or input a URL to clone with your affiliate links using our one-click technology. Step 3. Activate traffic. Deploy your AI-crafted site across the web and start receiving a flood of free traffic with just one more click. Affiliate money goggles. Let's break down how effortless this is. Log in and set the AI Cloner X to clone high-earning sites. Watch as it mimics the site and inserts your affiliate links automatically. Now, for the magic. Simply enter the URL of your chosen profit pulling, or select from our preloaded $500 per day sites. Watch it recreate and enhance the page with the power of GPT-4 Vision AI, GPT 4.5 Turbo and DAL 3. Cloner X will precisely replicate the site and personalize it for you, featuring your affiliate links and opt-in codes. You get a ready-to-deploy super site, the original site along with your added elements, now ready to generate commissions and capture leads. Bottom line. This is the next-gen approach to affiliate marketing that sets you ahead. Jaw-dropping tech stack number 1, GPT-4 with Vision Site Cloner. AI like none other. Clones and recodes any website you give it, with your affiliate link, bio link, or opt-in code preloaded. Tech stack number 2, DAL 3.0, instant graphical flourishes. Next, AI Cloner X scans for images and remakes them with DAL 3, before giving you two choices, download or let us host. Tech stack number 3, one-click traffic X40, built-in free traffic blasts. Final touch, unleash a flood of targeted visitors without spending a dime on ads, all with one click. Your final move? Imagine spying a profitable affiliate site, landing page, VSL, or opt-in page. You're about to reach for the $300 per month website builder or $500 designer. But then you remember, you have the AI Cloner X, and so instead. You enter the URL of the site, click clone, and watch as GPT-4, GPT-4 Vision and DAL combine to rebuild the site. With coding, design, styling, graphics and hosting, all done for you. The AI even lets you get 40x traffic from just a single click. Bottom line, all it takes is a few clicks to unleash your AI money sites into the wild. What you get with AI Cloner X today? Instant access at a special price.